Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. This is my new project for the Valentine's Day. This is a wine glass and empty bottles of wine. This wine glass is decorated with an artificial flowers. For this is an embroidered flowers. Fix it temporarily in this wine glass. Look at this. And this is an artificial Christmas ornaments formed into a heart shape, and I just put on the top of the wine glass. And this one is empty bottles of wine and decorated with the different types of different pictures of the whiskey and the wines. This is the big one, and on the top I fixed a ribbon with the flowers, and this one is a medium size of bottle, also decorated with the different pictures of the different kinds of wine. And I fixed here whiskey, the letterings whiskey, and I fix a ribbon with a heart shape. So this serves as my table centerpiece for the Valentine's. This is just made from recycled materials. These pictures from different types of wine is derived from the pictures from the wine guide and from the magazine from the supermarket. I cut out and I fix it with the glue, and it looks like this now. And here I just put a ribbon, red ribbon, and a flowers, just to emphasize that this is a decoration for the Valentine's. And this one also. Look at here, different types of wine: Chivas Regal, Ramos, Red Label, Matthews. This is a Bombay Sapphire, Absolute Vodka, and different kinds of wine